Thursday. Not real time Thursday, I don't think. Just doing a little early start today. As always, real life caught up with me. So yeah, thanks for the feedback. I don't think I'd do a real time video all the time. I might throw the odd one in. It killed my phone. My phone's really low on memory anyway. Sorry. It'll take a bit longer to upload and yeah, it's a bit different. Dad sent me a bearing. He had a spare one. He sent me a piece of threaded rod as well, because that's how you're supposed to put the bearings in properly. But as always, you can do these things with the equipment around you. If you don't have a puller, you don't have a windscreen tool, you don't have a door skin folding tool, you know, you do your best with the tools you've got around you. Sometimes they work, sometimes they're not. There's always better ways of doing things. But yeah, so what we do is we're just gonna just see. I've got the brakes, the shoes, and pads, brakes, shoes, slave cylinder and stuff. We'll have a play about and just see what we're missing on the drum, on the rear drums. I can't speak. See, I'll just get the vice out of the way. I don't need it. Look, I'll lift it off. Bang, it's gone. Who needs to have it bolted down? So what I was thinking of doing, I won't do everything in real time, but I think I'll try and do a little bit more in real time, just to explain bits and bobs. So we've got a bag full of bits that all my brake bits. Oh, that's grease there. Don't want to take that off my hands. So yeah, we'll go from there. There's a little adjuster here, brake adjuster, a little square spanner. Make sure we get lots of grease on that, lots of copper grease on the threads. Make sure that's all cleaned up. Very important. And yeah, so master cylinder goes in, slave cylinder goes in. Basically, different size slave cylinders, but all very dependent on your brake setup anyway, so just check with your manufacturer. It's very dependent on what front brakes you run and also what master cylinders you're running as well, so I can't really tell you too much. It's very dependent on what you're doing. And yeah, let's put some of these bits together if I can. See if I find my brake adjuster spanner, which I would have had a while ago. Slave cylinders simply held on with a big C-clip. Can't really go wrong putting it on, it only goes on one way. And so yeah, it actually sort of floats back. Actually, that's bollards, isn't it? Because there's supposed to be a little split pin in the master cylinder to stop it locating. It's a slave cylinder. So I need to double check what I've got now, because I think I've just put, these are all the front stuff, idiot, front drums. These are for the rear stuff. It's a don't panic, don't panic. But yeah, there's supposed to be like a little split pin in there, just so when it pops through, it stops it completely spinning around and going upside down. Don't have it. These are new master cylinders, but I didn't pick them up as a kit. I came and picked them up from some bits and bobs, so I'm going for them anyway. No reason why not. But if I go nip out and go see if I can find the old the old slaves, I should be able to pull the split pins out of them. If I've still got them. Just to prove they're not the front ones. Front ones are way different. Have a big old block on them. Well, these ones do anyway. These are off the Mk1s. So been a while since I've done front drum brakes, but that's the old ones. Anyway, let's attempt again. You can see the pin. All this time faffing about goes my time. Little brake adjuster thingies, bit of grease on them. Put them in the right way, you donkey. So they go with a sort of the taper inwards, and so there's like a little L shape. Just enough grease, you don't want too much flying around the inside of the drums. Enough. Just pop the shoes on first, just to double check. Might have a quick Google of a photo. They sort of can go only in two ways. So they normally, you see those, the big holes are normally opposite facing each other. I'll just double check on the interweb or in a manual. Okay, I think that's on. The experts out there, double checked with the manual and the interweb. Big longy spring, as in long springy coils at the top, and the two, it's like one big spring, but it's got two little ones on either end at the bottom, and the handbrake and all that. As I said, these bits go opposite each other. Sorry about the darkness. And yeah. A good test is to put the drum on sometimes, because if you've got these not lined, you know, not fitting right, the actual shoes aren't square. So basically it's a right pain in the ass to get the drum on, and then you realise you've done something slightly wrong, and so basically the shoes aren't aligning properly. But anyway, that'll do while we're waiting for the bearing to turn up. Yeah, looking alright, I think. So time to go inside and make the wife some breakfast. There might need a little bit of lining up, but that's just that's fine once we get the drum on. Lovely jubbly. Okay, short video today. Catch back up for the end of the week, Friday. Let's see what we can figure out to do. Just chicken and chips tonight. Nothing special. Go with boring things. Got things to do at work. Staying late. Yeah. Also, do I look like, I don't know, I keep thinking I've lost a little bit of weight, but I don't think I have. I've been cutting out on the beer, as I said, during the week, and I've been cutting out my sausages and bread for breakfast. Gone back to Weetabix. You can't beat a Weetabix, but not as good as a sausage sandwich. But I think it's just my imagination. So anyway, feel a little bit better anyway, getting up in the mornings. So all good. I think that's all. Oh, my dad's rebuilt all the gearbox now. 998's back on the gearbox, new gearbox. He's just checking out the head and everything. I've got ordered up some green paint. I think green paint will look good in this. I don't know what the correct vintage is. Obviously 998 is not the exact one anyway. But maybe let me know if green paint is the correct colour. But I'm going to go with green anyway, I expect. So that'll all be painted. So he said he might pop down at some point and yeah, help fit it. So I think we might fit it before we do all the drive shafts and stuff. Might be easier. We're right above the winch, so yeah, just need to dig around. I've got some old engine mounts, old as in they're new but old, but it might be worth just buying a new set anyway. And mostly worth running the brake pipes as well while we can get in there. Yeah, front brake pipes around the subframe. Anyway, definitely going now. We've got to go. Bye bye.